After my previous Autoview video, a lot of you guys had a lot of questions about it. Some of you guys couldn't even get it running, so hopefully today I will clear that up with how to troubleshoot, and I will also offer my own help in my Telegram group. Make sure you guys join both my groups, my free call group and my huge group chat with all of you guys from the channel. Both links will be in the description. Make sure you guys join it. Anyways, let's get right into the video. So before we start, let's just quickly look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin today was absolutely crazy as we did break 7,000 earlier in the morning today, only to correct under it later today as it is right now. So something very interesting that I did see is that we do have this wedge forming on Bitcoin, which is a falling wedge here, and personally I do think it will end up being bullish. After the RSI, which I talked about in my previous video yesterday, I do still hold my ground to the fact that we could be seeing a breakout, in the next 2 weeks. But anyways, guys, let's get into Autoview and how to troubleshoot with it. So first off, I do just want to say I'm not paid by Autoview to make this. If anything, they're only like $5 a month. I think it's just an amazing program that you guys should all use. No matter how much money you have, just because it's so cheap. It's only $5 a month for any exchange you choose, and they also have a leverage trading option, which is absolutely awesome, since especially in this market right now, really all you want to be doing is shorting and longing Bitcoin, and altcoins you just want to be buying long term. So anyways, I will leave the link in the description to the Google Chrome store where you can add this to Chrome. It is completely free to add, and then I will show you guys how to do everything else. So once you do have this extension added, you want to go to your extension page, and then what you want to do is you see this little icon on the top right, and you just want to enable it to enable developer mode. So developer mode will allow you to see this thing called the background page, which is very, very important to troubleshoot with Autoview. The background page is almost like the console for Autoview. It's where all the stuff happens. It's where you can see what Autoview sees, and you'll be able to easily identify any of the errors as it does display them there. So you just want to click on it. It opens up this little developer tools window, but it's pretty much just like the Gunbot console. It just tells you everything that happens, and it's super, super useful, like I said before, to make sure that all of your alert syntax is good and to make sure that all your trades go through without any problems. So this page is very important, and I do want to say, after watching this video, if you guys still do have an issue, all you guys need to do is go to my chat, take a screenshot of this page and the error that you're getting, and hopefully I will be able to help you. So anyways, let's go ahead and head over to TradingView. So all you're going to need to do once you have Autoview is find some sort of script that you like. So personally, I have a bunch of scripts here. I will be showing you guys the script. That's the one I made the video on a few days ago. Make sure you guys check that out if you haven't already. You can use Autoview with that. So once you have a script that you like, all you want to do is you want to click on it, right click, add alert, and so then you want to make sure here it has your script name selected, and depending on what script you have, you will have a buy and sell option, and this is super important. You do want to make sure you have a paid TradingView account in order to use Autoview, as Autoview does require at least 2 alerts per pair that you are trading on, one for buying and one for selling. So it's super important that you do have a paid TradingView account. So once you are on here, you will select the buying or selling condition, obviously depending on if the alert will be to buy or to sell the coin. Then you will do once per bar close or once per bar. Those are the 2 best options. Now, something really cool about Autoview is that it is always on Chrome, and so you don't need to send any emails or anything like that. All you need to do is show a pop-up, and then it will detect it. And this is one other important thing I do want to mention. You do have to have Chrome open with your computer on if you want Autoview to work. So another option for this is you can get a VPS and just leave Autoview open with a TradingView tab on a VPS, and then it will go through with all your trades. But that is a very important fact, because if not, your trades will not go through. So next, once you have everything set up here, you do have this message section, and this is where you're going to put in all of your syntax. So let me show you guys a few examples here that I have already written for you guys. So the first one is very basic. This can be for any normal exchange without leverage, just for example, Bittrex, Binance, Poloniex, anything like that. This is what you will want to do. So you will do E equals Bittrex. So this is the exchange. So whatever exchange you're using, you just put it right here. Then you will put the coin. This is not required. You can take this off. I personally like to have it. So the coin equals BTC USDT. And then B equals buy. So this is whether you're buying or selling. Obviously very simple. Quantity equals 500. This is the main trading pair. So if it's USD Tether and you put 500, then it will buy 500 USD Tether worth of Bitcoin. And then T is just whether it's limit or market order. I obviously always recommend market order, so it automatically gets filled once the order is placed. But that is your decision, and you change it based on your needs. And so all you guys want to do with these is change it to sell for the sell order, and then all you want to do is copy it. I will leave these in the description for your guys' reference. Copy it. Once you have the buy condition on the script, click create. And then you will see over here that your alert is added on TradingView. Then all you want to do is click on the script once again, add alert, change it to sell, go over to this copy paste, which is in the description once again, copy and paste it, and then you do have your buy and sell alerts for Autoview. Then you just click create once again, and you have your buy and sell alerts. Now that is just for the normal version. Obviously, if you do want to do some leverage trading, there's a little bit more you have to add in order to do that. So you want to scroll down here on my document, and then you see the long and short position. So this is a little bit more complicated since we are using leverage, and I will explain it to you guys right now. So first, what it does here is obviously the only exchange that supports leverage that is compatible with Autoview is BitMEX. So the exchange will be BitMEX. Then you are closing your position at the market price. So what this does is it clears out any open positions before opening this long. This is important because if you have a short currently open and then your script is giving a buy signal, you obviously want to close that short and open the long. So that's what this does. Once it gives a buy signal, it closes the short, waits 7 seconds. You can set this to whatever you want. And then it goes ahead and buys or longs the coin. So BitMEX, Bitcoin to USD. This is important because nothing on TradingView actually has XBT. So you will have to type that in manually. You will have to have S equals XBT to USD. Then the position, long or short. Quantity, once again, that's just the amount of Bitcoin that you want to use. So if you want to use 50% of your Bitcoin on BitMEX, then you can go ahead and put 50%. Then L is the leverage, so obviously that's something like 5, 3, 2, whatever leverage you want, and mark it once again so your order gets automatically filled right as it is placed. So you have that, then you have the short position, which is the same thing. It closes any long positions, waits 7 seconds, and then opens the short, the same syntax. So all you guys want to do is copy the entire thing, make sure you have all 3 lines, and it's the same thing for creating an alert. Make sure you are on buy once per bar close, paste it in, and then you will have your E equals BitMEX, the delay, everything like that, and then you can go ahead and create it, and you are good. And then you can do the same thing for the short, and it's as simple as that. So hopefully this has helped you guys with Autoview. It can be a little bit confusing at first, but the big gist of everything is your script has to have alerts. You have to make sure that the syntax for your alerts are correct. So that's the stuff you're putting in the message. That's all of this stuff. Make sure you have everything in your alert. If not, it will not work. And then finally, if you cannot figure anything out and you just need help, I highly recommend looking at this console window. And if you really need help and you can't figure it out, go to my chat and me or CryptoNap will help you out. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this has helped you out with Autoview. Make sure to like, subscribe, and join my 2 licensed EonBot giveaway. Anyways, guys, see you guys in the next video.